How to build a good relationship with your husband. A good relationship with your husband does not begin with grand gestures or perfect days. It begins quietly, in the way you choose him even when life feels ordinary. Love grows strongest not in moments of excitement, but in consistency, patience, and understanding. The foundation of a good relationship is respect. Not the loud kind that demands attention, but the quiet kind that shows up in tone, in listening, and in how you speak about him when he is not around. Respect makes a man feel safe, valued, and trusted. Without it, even love struggles to survive. Communication is the bridge that keeps two hearts connected. Not just talking, but truly listening. Listening without interrupting. Listening without preparing a response. Listening to understand, not to win. When your husband feels heard, he feels seen. And when he feels seen, he opens up more than words ever could force him to. Appreciation changes everything. Many marriages weaken not because love disappears, but because effort goes unnoticed. A simple thank you. A genuine compliment. A moment of acknowledgement for what he does, big or small. These moments remind him that his presence matters and his effort is not invisible. Building a good relationship also means allowing space. Love does not suffocate. It breathes. A healthy marriage allows individuality, hobbies, friendships, and personal growth. When you trust your husband enough to let him be himself, the bond becomes stronger, not weaker. Support is love in action. Standing by him during difficult seasons. Encouraging his dreams even when they seem uncertain. Believing in him when he doubts himself. A man who feels supported does not feel alone in the world, and that security deepens emotional connection. Conflict is inevitable, but how it is handled defines the relationship. Arguments do not destroy marriages. Unresolved resentment does. Choosing calm over insult. Choosing understanding over pride. Choosing solutions over blame. These choices turn disagreements into opportunities for growth. Emotional intimacy grows through vulnerability. Sharing fears, hopes, disappointments, and dreams without judgment. Creating a space where honesty is met with compassion. This level of closeness cannot be rushed, but when nurtured, it becomes unbreakable. Affection keeps love alive. Not just physical closeness, but emotional warmth. Small touches. Kind words. Thoughtful gestures. These moments remind both partners that romance does not end with commitment. It evolves. Forgiveness is essential. Mistakes will happen. Hurt will occur. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting, but it means choosing healing over holding onto pain. Letting go of past wounds allows love to move forward instead of remaining trapped in yesterday. Finally, building a good relationship with your husband is about partnership. Walking side by side. Growing together. Choosing each other every day, even when it is not easy. Love is not a feeling that stays on its own. It is a decision made repeatedly, with intention and care. A strong marriage is not perfect. It is patient. It is understanding. It is built slowly, lovingly, and deliberately. And when nurtured with respect, communication, and genuine affection, it becomes a place both hearts can call home. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.